Hello, my name is Siobhan Sweet and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to put the feathering on a Bakewell tart, some I made earlier. In here I've got 100 grams of icing sugar and 14 grams of water. Now don't add too much water to it because otherwise it's going to be too runny, so it's quite a nice thick consistency. And then we're going to put it on top. Okay, so take your icing and put a little bit on top. Don't go too mad with it. And it should just be thick enough to find its own level. Work it round. If you like it a little bit thicker, then you can put a touch more on. Just put a fraction more on there. But you don't want it running all down the edges, so the icing needs to just be the right consistency. Okay, and once you've done that, make it nice and neat. And then you're going to get your piping bag and you're going to spin over the top. And just go over in a nice straight line. I always go all the way across. And then with the back of the knife, and then I go the other way. Clean up the edges, and that is your Bakewell tart done. So here we have the finished Bakewell tart glazed. All I need now is a nice cup of tea, and I'd like to say I have a slice, but I'm not. I'm going to eat the whole thing myself. So if you'd like to subscribe and press the like button, that'd be fantastic. Anything else you want to learn on top tips, then just put in a comment down below. Thanks for watching.